Hi there, students. A poltergeist. Poltergeist. Okay, a poltergeist is a type of spirit. This is a spirit that moves furniture, that moves things around. A spirit or a force. It throws objects around in a house. So if you see, suddenly you go into your kitchen and you see all of the things in your kitchen swirling round and round, flying in the air, then this is being caused by a poltergeist. Okay, a poltergeist. I would imagine that it might be very difficult to live with a poltergeist, a ghost or other supernatural being responsible for physical disturbances, for throwing objects around, throwing things around, or for making loud noises. Usually a mischievous ghost that people say is responsible for unexplained noises, such as, oh, that must be the poltergeist, such as rappings or things like that. Okay, so a poltergeist it's a supernatural force. Yeah, it moves around the furniture. It moves. It throws around the objects. Okay, so physical disturbances, loud noises, objects being moved. There are also claims that the poltergeist can pinch you, can bite you, and can hit you as well, and even trip you over. Yeah. A poltergeist is capable of the levitation of objects, the levitation of furniture or plates, and the poltergeist also knocks on doors. So if you hear strange noises in an old house, this is the poltergeist knocking on the door. The poltergeist is trying to frighten you. People also claim that foul smells, really disgusting smells, can be associated with a poltergeist, as well as spontaneous fires. Some things suddenly catch fire, or there could be electrical problems, like your electrical things don't work, or the lights start flickering on and off. Traditionally, the poltergeist haunts a particular person instead of a location, but let's see, poltergeists are found this idea of poltergeists are found all over the world. And there's some variation in the folklore associated with it. Let's see, there are claims about poltergeist going back to the 1st century AD. There are all sorts of explanations, and many of these that have been investigated are hoaxes, but maybe a poltergeist exists. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a spirit. Maybe it's just something that is beyond our understanding. Yeah, is a natural phenomena that we just don't understand, although people like to attribute this to malicious spirits. Okay, so a poltergeist. Apparently our local pub has a poltergeist. If there's a poltergeist living in your house, it could be quite difficult to sell the house with the poltergeist. I don't know. You could do research on poltergeist phenomena. There was a film called Poltergeist as well. So formality, poltergeist. A 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, this comes from German, poltern, to create a disturbance, to be noisy, to make a disturbance in German. And then Geist, ghost. So it's a ghost that creates a disturbance, that creates lots of noise. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Poltergeist.